Hello, everyone. So actually, I'm with my professor. Her name is Nasin Single. She can greet you guys.
Do you want to say hello?
Hello. Yeah, we are very happy to attend that our assembly. Yeah.
Good to have you
Also,
here, and
I'm
hopefully
very happy to see and the doctor we have again. Yeah.
Great to see you. Long time no see.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Hi. Hello.
okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
This is how things work here. So we just connect people, and that is the way that just putting people together and making sure they are going to work together. So
Okay.
a
Okay.
connection from between Mongolia and China. Hopefully that is going to make
Yes.
some new representatives for you.
Yes, Nathan, I will write to you. Okay. To discuss some issues to enjoy ISAM from
Okay.
Mongolia. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Awesome, good. That is very good. So let's just kind of move to the last part of the discussion that we have today. So let me just bring up the thing that we have been discussing. So as we have been discussing, we are going to have the ISAM meeting in Istanbul in few months, and then the next piece would be we will have some regional meetings. I will keep you posted about them. Right now, we already have a discussion with people in Singapore and also in Doha about the regional meetings that they are planning. I can see Rama with us today from Qatar, from Doha. Rama, do you want to say hello?
Yeah, thank you, Hamid. And looking forward to doing all of what we're doing. And I'm Rama Kamal. I work in no fair addiction care at Qatar. Hopefully, we'll be more active in the ISAM, and looking forward to hopefully be an affiliated institute with the ISAM. So yeah, looking forward to all of this, and happy to see all the faces. And as you said, Hamid, I met a lot of my Netherlands colleagues here, which I haven't seen for a long period. So very happy with this opportunity, and I've learned a lot today. Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us. And I mean, this is kind of some announcements about the regional meeting that's going to happen in Malaysia, and also the ISAM 2025 meeting is going to happen in Hamburg. And in 2025, we are going to move the ISAM meeting to May. So it's going to be by the end of the May. And one new thing that we are going to do in ISAM Hamburg is we call Addiction Therapeutics Innovation Day. So the day before the conference, we are planning to invite companies and all the kind of new startup initiatives that they are doing innovations for addiction treatment, whether that is going to be pharmaceutical agents or they are developing digital therapeutics or they develop different brain stimulation technologies. We are inviting all those companies to contribute to an innovation then. And we are also inviting regulatory agencies. We are inviting FDA. NIDA is going to be a part of that process. We are going to kind of invite EMA. So if there are companies in your country that they are interested to develop new therapeutics for addiction and they want to be a part of that innovation day, please let us know. So that is going to be another opportunity for further global collaboration. I know that there are new companies in China that are developing new kind of therapeutics. There are companies here in the US, in South America. So that would be an opportunity for further collaboration. Hopefully, they will kind of use that as a routine for next ISAB meetings to have a specific day before the conference on innovations and kind of new therapeutics in addiction. And then we'll have ISAM 2026 in Netherlands, in Rotterdam, and we already have kind of the ISAM 2026 meeting team here. Hopefully, they will have lots of kind of exciting things to happen in Rotterdam. And now we have time, a little bit of time for further discussion. But before moving to discussion, I would like to thank two young MDs who have been helping us to put the meeting today together and the slides and other things.